Matatubega, we gon' have to start deep in this conversation. My life has been an intertwining picture, always overflowing enigma. Intuition gave me true information. Dwanareka told my guy. See, my woman told me that you can't pour from an empty cup, but I didn't get it how to fill my cup when the only thing that fill it is this music that is deep in my soul. All these voices telling me that ain't nobody give a chuck about a nigga, so I'm keeping on my focus. I've been moving different ever since my heart it got cold. Learned to never let it